In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track thank you page conversions in Google Ads. This walkthrough will help you measure leads or purchases by tracking when someone lands on your thank you page, which usually appears right after a form submission or checkout. Accurate conversion tracking lets Google Ads optimize your campaigns and helps you understand which keywords and ads drive real results. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the left menu, open the goals area, then go to conversions and select summary. This is your hub for creating and managing conversion actions. Click the plus button to create a new conversion action and choose website. Enter your website domain and click scan. Google will quickly check your site for existing tags and prepare the setup options for you. When the scan completes, choose Add a Conversion Action manually. This gives you full control over the configuration and is perfect for tracking a page-based thank you event. Pick the goal category that best fits your outcome, such as submit lead form or purchase. This label won't change how the tag fires, but it helps keep your reporting clean and meaningful. For the conversion trigger, choose enter the URL where the conversion is completed. Select the match type that fits your setup, equals if your thank you page has a fixed URL like thank you, or contains if the URL includes a unique word or a query parameter such as thank you, true. Enter only the unique part of the URL to avoid false positives and make sure it's a page users only see after a successful action. Configure your settings. Give your conversion a clear name, set a value if you have one, and choose how to count conversions. For leads, one is usually best, so multiple submissions by the same person don't overinflate results. When you're satisfied, click Done, then Save and Continue. Now install the Google tag and the event snippet. If the base Google tag is not already on your site, add it to the head of every page. Then add the event snippet only on the thank you page so it fires when someone completes the action. If your global site tag or Google tag already exists, just implement the event snippet to avoid duplicate tags. Finally, test your setup. Use Google Tag Assistant to confirm the tags are firing, then complete a test form submission and land on the thank you page. In Google Ads, you'll see verification status update. Data may take a short time to appear. Once verified, your thank you page conversions will begin populating in your reports and can be used for bidding and optimization.